So how can you get, whoa, how can you get approved online for a mortgage? I'm going to tell you right now, before I say anything else, I wouldn't do that ever, ever. Meaning, like, I wouldn't just go to Google and fill something out. Because there's a lot of different ways to do it. You can go online, you can Google, you can see all these different banks and offering different rates, all these different sites that you find. The reason why I would never do that, just like I would never inquire on Zillow about looking for a house, is because you're pretty much selling your information off and you're probably going to get 50 million phone calls. Now, you can call your local lender or a mortgage broker and they can send you something online to do it. But I personally wouldn't do it. And, you know, what I'm doing is a lot of the videos that I'm doing now moving forward are just inquiries that I'm finding online of people asking questions. Like basic, how do I sell my house? Da, 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 da. This one was, how can I get pre-approved for a mortgage online? So I think a lot of times what will happen is somebody will do a video and say, this is how you can get pre-approved online. You can go to here and you can go these banks and these banks. And the thing is, like, for me, it's like, I wouldn't do any of that. Don't do it. Because if you know anything, I'm just going to, again, go backtrack to Zillow. If you know anything about Zillow, is people will go there and go, oh, I want to request a time to look at this house, or I want more information. Or the lenders will just constantly reach out to you and the floodgates open because they sell your information. And you're like, instead of just going to the listing agent themselves. Or you should have an agent doing it for you anyway, right? It's the same concept of when you're looking online to get pre-approved. Like, yeah, you can go to online lenders like Rocket Mortgage and Quicken Loans and different banks like that. I'm not saying anything wrong with going on Rocket Mortgage and doing it, right? What I'm saying is if you don't know who you're going to, and you're not literally like, oh, I'm going to this company, Rocket Mortgage, or a company like that where I know that it's legit and I'm not going to get harassed. I personally would I'm old school, pick up the phone or physically go to your agent or somebody that you know that worked with a reputable lender or mortgage broker and do it that way, because I'm telling you, it will be so much easier to do it that way. Now, if you read below, I'm going to put how to actually do it. Choose a lender, gather your documents, asset verification, debt information, personal information, complete the online application. But that's going to be more of what you have to do anyway when they send you the link to fill it out. So, that's my opinion. I wouldn't do it. If you guys have any questions on anything, let me know, because this is all I'm going to be doing. Videos and videos and videos, and I love doing videos, and I love real estate, and I love you. All right, bye.